Hi, I'm Ryan with Warming with Ryan. Today, Birch Aquarium. What's warm?
Cool, dude. You in the shark?
A shark? A shark? Look at that fish. Fish. I seen a shark.
You like it?
You like it?
Pretty amazing, huh?
It's pretty amazing, huh?
Giant fish tank.
Giant fish tank. Giant fish tank.
Where's that big guy?
What's a big guy?
Way up there.
Way up there. Big fish.
Yep. He's huge.
It's huge. Oh.
That's cool.
That's cool fish.
Lots of colors, huh?
Lots of colors, huh? Fish.
Yeah. I like that.
I like that. Thanks, dude.
Whoa.
I see it.
So many of them.
So many fun of them.
So many fish. What do you think of that?
What do you figure out?
Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool. Oh, I fall you. Fall you.
Go inside.
Oh, sure.
There you go.
Wow. Wow. What a pretty fish. What a pretty angel fish.
Ryan, look at me. What do you think of all those fish? There's a lot in there, huh?
There's a lot in there.
Oh, they go that way.
That's a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
Now I see it.
Now I see it.
They're crazy looking.
You're
Huh?
crazy. Look at that.
All right, let's go in.
Oh, I am coming. Good thinking. Thanks. Whoa.
Look at this.
Back 7. More rest.
That looks cool, huh?
Oh, it's cool, huh? Look at fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There they are.
There they are.
That looks cool.
Almost cool, huh?
There's 3.
There's 3 of them.
Sunflower,
Sunflower,
sea star.
sea star.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
Whoa.
Virtual reality. You like it?
You like it? Oh, thanks, dude.
You like it?
You like it?
Is it fun?
Is it fun? Yeah, I think so too, Father.
Are you swimming?
Are you swimming?
Okay.
Okay.
Colors are crazy.
Colors are crazy.
What color is that?
A green
Mm-hmm.
leaves.
And what's the color is this up here?
Purple.
Yeah, pinky purple or oh, look at that fish.
Look at all the fish.
Yeah. And here in the quiet zone, pretty.
Thanks for watching. Remember, pick a good face, okay? See you next time.
That was great, buddy. That was a lot of fun, huh?
That's a lot of fun.